Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my cool transparent panties. Generally I love this kind of clothes. Very comfortable, nice, easy to wear. It looks like it enfaces the figure very nicely for me. The only downside can be worn only in warm weather. The color is very good too. Thank you for watching. Yeah, see you next time. I hope you enjoyed.